It's a two-step process. The first step we've already done, which is making the beef mixture that we're going to be using, but we're not using beef, we're using ground turkey because we do that in our house. And you only really need one tortilla to start because you're going to make this 4 times. It does make 4 servings. So to assemble the tortilla, this is how you're going to help. You ready?
Yep.
We're going to take this tostada because that's what makes it crunchy. We're going to put that in the middle and you're going to cut a circle around said tostada. What we did already is in our stack cooker, we made our meat mixture that's going to go into this tostada. It is 1 pound of ground turkey or beef. It is 1/4 cup onion, which I chopped up in our chopping prep. It is 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon ground paprika, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. You got it? My friend Megan says she doesn't know how to cook ground beef on a stovetop. Do you?
Yes.
But which way do you cook more?
I cook it more in the microwave.
In the microwave in a stack cooker. So why do we do that? Well, it actually will brown the ground turkey, which here's what the ground turkey looks like. But more awesome than that, this is 93% lean ground turkey, and there's a lot of gunk still in it. So this is not going to be in our bodies. But what I want to do, even though it's all the way cooked through, is I want this to be nice and crumbly and easy to actually assemble. So we're going to take this ground turkey that has been fully cooked and we are going to put it right into the PowerChef. And what makes this really nice is we're going to end up making the spices that may be just on like 1 or 2 pieces, because sometimes spices get sprinkled and not very well. And it's going to be put a little bit more evenly. So we're going to put the collar on. This is part of the PowerChef system. It sells for $93 in the catalog as a host. You can always get it for free or half off, or for $16 more you can get our starter set over here. So Connor is going to make that into crumbles for us. That's good. So for 3 pulls, we now have an easy meat mixture to be able to use. All right. So we're going to set this aside for now, over there. And we need to start assembling our tortilla. Okay, I do need to make some diced tomatoes. So can you cut this in half and then put it in the chopping prep and dice that just a little bit? In a large tortilla, we only need a couple pulls. Perfect. All right, so it's diced up tomatoes. So in a large plate, we are going to take a large tortilla, which is this right here. Rich is going to grab me another spoon. And we are going to put 1/4 of the taco mixture on the bottom. What do we do next? We're on step 3.
Top with 1/4 of nacho cheese sauce, and then place tostada shell on top.
So I put the meat mixture, then I do the nacho cheese, and we got nacho cheese out of the nacho cheese aisle because that's just how we roll. And it's supposed to be 1 cup, so we're really not using a whole lot of nacho cheese. If you want to get fancy and melt it a little bit first, that's always an option. Oh, thank you. A spatula is always a Tupperware person's best friend. All right, so then what do we do after the nacho cheese?
We add, we top with the tostada.
So then we put the tostada shell on top. And then what?
We add the sour cream mixture, or the sour cream over the tostada, and then top with 1/4 of each lettuce, tomato, and cheese.
All right, so here is a little bit of sour cream. Okay. Now we do need a different kind of cheese too. We're going to do 2 different cheeses. We have cheddar cheese already done. So if you want to grab the Great Master, we are going to also do Colby. And because we don't mind our cheese touching, we are putting it both into this Clearly Elegant bowl. And I need to lock this down. We prefer to grate our own in our house. Why?
Because there is sometimes like stuff on the cheese to make sure it doesn't stick while in a bag. And that stuff can sometimes have gluten in it. That's not good.
And it's cheaper.
It's cheaper.
And it's yummier in your tummy.
Yeah.
All right, so now we have Colby and we have cheddar cheese ready to go. There's very little cheese left. Moving that off to the side. All right, so we put sour cream, then top with lettuce, tomato, and cheeses. So inside the Fridge Smart is some romaine lettuce. I just need to have a little bit of it shredded. Okay. We're gonna put a little bit here. We only need enough lettuce to cover this little piece. Perfect. All right, so then it says to place the smaller tortilla that Connor cut over the top and start creating pleats. Let's move this out of the side so I don't accidentally, topple it. So we put pleats over this, is what I'm guessing it means. Okay, so we have the pleats. And now we're going to use the MicroPro Grill. So the MicroPro Grill is the grill for your microwave. And we're going to flip this over. And we're going to put it into the grill mode. So how this works is there's a heat susceptor up here that's 425 degrees, heat susceptor in the bottom that's 425 degrees. It's going to come up to 425 degrees in 2 minutes. We're putting this in grill mode, which means the grill is going to hit right on top of the tortilla, so it's going to get nice and crunchy really fast. And you want to make sure if you have littles with you that you use a heating pad with this, because this does get hot. It's not a touch cool like the wonderful Benton Serve. This is going to go in the microwave for 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to flip it and grill it for 2 more minutes. So the reason why we are doing this so early is why?
I have marching band practice in 10 minutes.
No, you don't. You have marching band practice in a half hour.
Yeah, but I have to get ready.
But you have to get ready and you have to leave. And so that's why Tupperware works so fast and easy. If we wanted to make this in normal time, we would have had to probably take a full half hour. And this whole thing is going to take us less than 10 minutes.